Hello and welcome to the Konar Cooks. Today we are making a summer special Bengali recipe, Doi Potol. In the scorching summer heat of Bengal, there is nothing more refreshing than a bowl of delicious Doi Potol. This traditional Niramish recipe features tender pointed gourds cooked in a creamy yogurt sauce with a blend of aromatic spices like cumin, coriander and turmeric. The tangy flavor of the yogurt perfectly complements the mild sweetness of the potol, creating a mouth-watering and satisfying meal that is loved by all. For people who do not consume onion, garlic or ginger due to dietary restrictions or personal preference, this dish provides a healthy and flavorful alternative that is rich in nutrients as well. Thank you for watching. You can find the full recipe in the description box. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel, The Konar Cooks. See you in the next one.